Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Plunder.locke here. So today we're gonna be reviewing the Tws i12s and the InPods 12s. We're just gonna do a sound comparison between the both of them to see which ones sound better, since both of them basically have almost the same price range. It will help you guys just determine which one to buy between these two. Well, first of all, the Tws i12s come in different colors as the InPods 12 do. Well, basically you can see both of them as almost the same thing, but not exactly the same thing. The build of the InPods feels way more better than the Tws i12s, feels more sturdy, and it has much of a matte finish while this has a glossy finish. The indicator lights are down here, while the indicator lights for the Tws i12s are in the middle. Okay, so let's take both of them out, and we're gonna look at both of them. So looking at both of them side by side, the InPods 12 are a little bit bigger than the Tws i12s. So well, actually let's try to put this in the case and see if they fit. Okay, actually this is kind of funny. Look at this, guys. Okay, it doesn't go in. Why don't we try the InPods in the TWS case? Same, just bends with the magnet. Okay, so we're gonna do a sound test now. We're gonna start with the InPods. All right, let's play some music, guys. Okay, actually we start with the TWS. Those are the Tws i12s. So now I'm gonna connect the InPods 12s and we're gonna see how the InPods 12s sound, and we're gonna compare the both of them so you guys can see which one you prefer between the InPods 12s and the Tws i12s. Okay, give me a minute, guys. So actually, because both their price ranges are almost similar, basically the same thing, it's gonna be difficult for people to decide which one of the two to get, but preferably I would just say to get the InPods 12s, because the InPods for me sound way better than the TWS. The InPods 12, let me just put this back in. So this is just a sound comparison between the both of them to see which one would be better for you guys' money. And also I just wanted to show you guys something. When you connect both of them to the device, it actually shows i12s for both of them, not InPods 12 or Tws i12s. Just putting that out there. So I'm going to drop a link for both of them, and also I'm doing a giveaway for the InPods 12. There are 4 colors in the Macron edition: the blue, yellow, pink, and green. So you guys can drop a link, can drop a comment down below and subscribe. Just tell me which of the colors you want and why you need them, and you can stand a chance to win. See you guys in the next one.